What's up, guys and gals? Back at it again this week. Actually, stop. What's up, YouTube? Alright, what we got going on is my battery on my camera is getting low, so this may be on my phone, I'm not sure. I ordered a battery charger, so it should be here like Tuesday. The battery charger is not working. That's why on the last video my battery died. Anyhow, going to show you, get you guys up to speed on what's been going on, what I've got done, and explain it a little. This is the control arm. As you can see, I've cut the center out, and so I got my template basically goes like about like that, somewhere about like something about like that. So this is my template. This is the ball joint holes right here, and this kind of goes around this. This thing has a little stamp in it. Cuts around that, cuts around the ball joint, goes up here. You know, it covers a lot. I accidentally cut out a little bit more than I should have right back here, but that's okay. It shouldn't be a problem. This is going to be 3/16 metal, so it should be plenty thick enough. I cut this out with plasma. We're going to clean it up, get it fit, or get some of this right here not so jagged and stuff like that. But this is the template. This is the template for that. We're going to be cutting that out with the plasma table. So, get back with you guys in just a few minutes. Alright, y'all, we're all tacked up, as you can see. Cut out, all tacked up. We're letting it cool down now. It's still a little warm. After we know it fits on the truck, we're going to get back over here and we're going to weld it the fuck up. Hopefully you can hear me over these fans. We've got the brackets all in place, as you can see. Tacked those up, fitted the gussets well. Got everything started welding on it. And we're just taking a break, letting everything cool down. And then when I finish welding it up, we got the control arms welded up. I don't know if I got that on camera, but I'm sure you saw how they fit. We put them on. We only welded them, you know, in 5 or 6 places on top, 3 or 4 on the bottom. That should be fine as far as holding together. So I'll get those cleaned up, and where we can get some paint on those, and then we'll finish up welding the brackets in on the truck, and then let everything cool down again real good, and then we'll hit it with some paint. But we're going to come back at this thing, and I think we're going to raise the upper control arm mount an inch or so, so you get a better ball joint angle, because that angle is pretty nasty at the top, the upper ball joint. And then we'll do some, we'll be putting some shocks on the front of this thing as well. So we'll be coming back at this thing, but anyway, let's get that welding done, and get some paint on these control arms and on these bag brackets, just so it won't rust. And we'll bring you back. Anyway, we've got the control arms done, painted. We got the truck done, painted. Show you that, show you the control arms. Grab some light. Driver's side. Passenger side. So we got to run, get some bolts. I got to get some bolts for these control arms, because the other ones, y'all literally spent 45 minutes trying to chase them and run them through with the tap and die on bolts and nuts. So, and they still aren't right. So anyway, I'm gonna get some new bolts for this stuff, for the bags, for the control arms, and then we should be good to put it back together. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. this is the last episode of doing the front, the last little clip. You will see that it is not quite laying on the frame. The exhaust is holding it up. I have not addressed that yet, but I did compensate for that when I was getting everything done, to lay it out on the frame. So it's about a good, I don't know, inch and a half from laying out because of that exhaust. I don't want to do anything with that quite yet because I don't know if I'm going to drive it like it is right now, just get my air management on there and drive it some like it is with just the front done. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to cut the exhaust off and worry about that. And also, I do want to get a header. I think I want to get I think Pace Setter or somebody like that makes one. I found one online. It's like super cheap, but I think I am going to do that. So there's no wait, put that on, and we got some engine work and stuff to do, which that'll be on here. But that is this will be the last video for the front for now. Next thing will be, we're gonna be getting on the back. That's not gonna come right away though, because I have another project coming in the shop that'll be needing to get done, and I'll bring that stuff to you when I get it here, introduce you to that project. But I hope you guys enjoyed this series of videos. I know a lot of them were pretty long. Even this one's probably going to be long. A lot of me talking, trying to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm not the best at this at all. If you have any questions, obviously ask them down in the comments, or just comment what you think about the truck, what you think it looks like, if you like it, if you don't like it. That is going to be it. We will see you guys on the next video.